I'm Drew Neal, the author of Practical Vim, and I want to tell you about my new book, Modern Vim, which I consider to be a kind of sequel to my first book. I'm really excited by some of the new features that are available in the latest versions of Vim, and I've written Modern Vim to cover these new features. With version 7 of Vim, if you wanted to install plugins, you were advised to use a tool such as Pathogen, Vundle, or Vimplug to make it easy. With version 8 of Vim, the new Packages feature makes it easy to install plugins without depending on a third-party tool. Modern Vim provides step-by-step instructions on how to use the new Packages feature. Vim 8's Job Control API makes it possible to run external programs in a separate thread. So tasks that used to block Vim can now be performed asynchronously in the background. To see this in action, try installing the ale plugin to receive real-time feedback from linting tools. The examples in the book use ESLint to check JavaScript code, but the ale plugin works with many different linting tools and languages. Most of the examples in Modern Vim are targeted at version 8 of Vim, but I also encourage you to try out Neovim, a community-run fork of Vim, which has all of the same features as Vim 8 and more. One feature of Neovim that I especially enjoy is the built-in terminal emulator. To see this in action, try launching a web server inside of Neovim's terminal emulator. You can create key bindings to stop and restart the web server from inside Neovim. This feature could transform your workflow, and Modern Vim will show you how. Modern Vim contains 28 tips. Each example is clearly illustrated, and you can download the demonstrations to try each one out for yourself. Learn to craft your development environment with Modern Vim.